a belt or a chain. A belt consists of one link, it's one solid piece. Chain is 100+ links. A belt is silent, it's better power efficient, and you don't need to lube it. It's easy to clean and to maintain.
Competing in Downhill World Cup aligns perfectly to our strategy and demonstrates the resilience and the precision of gearboxes on top notch in the toughest condition.
Feels really great to see now our Pinion gearboxes, which are manufactured and assembled in Germany, being raced at the highest level of the World Cup circuit.
Of course, there are concerns if you're responsible for many athletes and people working for the team with moving on to a new technology. But after my test in 2023, all these concerns were gone and we were confident that this is the right direction.
Yes, as a small player in the field, we are super honored to be the frame sponsor for MS Racing in 2025. Of course, it's a recognition for us that the G3 is a great bike, but at the same time, it's a huge opportunity to learn for us. MS is a very professional racing team, so their input will be highly beneficial for us, and we very much look forward to working with them in this season.
For some athletes it actually was quite easy because they were like really open for new things where they see an advantage for themselves. For other athletes it probably wasn't too much, and we focused on those who really wanted to be on a belt drive and the gearbox rather than forcing people into that.
Because the belts are designed to be a lot more durable, so the lifespan is expected to be about 10,000 kilometers compared to a standard chain would be about 400 to 600 kilometers. There really isn't the need to keep replacing them, to prevent the risk of it breaking like you would with a chain.
This is innovation. It's going to change all downhill system because it's something new, and I think you can have an advantage about that because it's like you can shift without pedaling, so you can shift wherever you want, and this is going to change quite a lot. I like the feeling. I like the fact that the weight it's just there down, and then it makes the bike so stable as well. Yeah, I really like it.
Like, it's pretty cool because you get rid of all the weight on the back, on the unsprung mass, and add it there where you actually want it, in like at the BB at the lowest point. So yeah, it's just cool.
In 2012, I did the Mega Manage in Alpe d'Huez with a belted single-speed hardtail. 10 years later, I was able to do the same race with a belted full suspension bike with Pinion gearbox. And I'm really stoked to see that we have now 4 professional downhill teams racing on belted bikes at the UCI World Cup.
So personally, I cannot wait to see the first gearbox bike on the podium with a belt drive.